We're in early December at the moment, so we've just had Thanksgiving and Christmas is coming up, so I thought it'd be a good time to share with you a recipe we've been working on for turkey or chicken stuffing. Now this recipe is special because not only is it delicious, but it's also keto diet friendly, and as an extra bonus, it's gluten free. But there's no compromise in the taste. In fact, we prefer this recipe now in preference to the traditional stuffing recipes, and we're using this one all the time now. Now today I'm going to be doing a chicken, so the quantities that I'll be using is for a chicken. But if you're going to be doing a turkey, you'll need to double the ingredient quantities or even triple it if it's a very big bird. So let's get on with it. I'll put any links that I refer to in the description below the video, and I'll also put the ingredients and the recipe there for you. Now, you may have noticed that with the stuffing that was left over, I made a little loaf in the same dish as the chicken will be roasting. In about 30 minutes or so, that little loaf will be golden brown, and not only that, it'll be cooking in the juices of the chicken. So it makes an absolutely delicious little side dish. And while we're on that subject, this recipe can be very easily converted to a bread recipe. So all you do is double the quantities that I used today, use a full teaspoon of baking powder, and you can leave out the sausages, and it makes an absolutely delicious loaf of bread. You just put the mixture in a pre-lined loaf pan and grease it as well, and you put it in the oven and just keep an eye on it about 30 minutes, 35 minutes until it's golden brown, and when you tap it, it should be quite crispy. And it's wonderful with some homemade butter while it's still warm. And if you want to know how to make homemade butter, just watch the video at the top of the screen at the moment. Right, it's been in the oven now about 45 minutes at 180 degrees C. So it's time to take out my little loaf. I left it in a bit longer because I was just a bit worried that it would absorb uncooked chicken juices, which would spoil it. So let's take it out and have a look. That's looking pretty good. So we'll just gently scoop him out of there. There we go. And we'll keep him out, and he'll be a wonderful little side dish when we have the chicken. The chicken's still got quite a way to go, probably about another 45 minutes or so. So I'm going to put that back in. Just put the chicken back. Right, the chicken's been in for about 1 hour 40 minutes at 180 degrees C. So it's time to take a look. That's looking pretty good. I'm just going to do a little taster here for you. Try not to burn myself. Right, here goes. Excellent. Wonderful. You should try this. You won't regret it. Now, if you found this useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And if you have any questions or comments, we'd love to hear from you. If you just scroll right down to the bottom, you'll find the comment section there. And if you click on the bell next to the subscribe button, you'll get notification when our next video comes out. Happy holidays, stay safe, and thank you for watching.